G'day guys, welcome to Cap Industries. This video is the installation guide for a Mitsubishi Evo 7, 8 and 9 fire extinguisher mount made by Cap Industries. Let's go do it. The fire extinguisher bracket that you get comes with these M5 nuts and bolts that you can then use to install your fire extinguisher. Just make sure you use one with a metal cage. However, in the video today, I'm going to be installing our twin latch fire extinguisher. The fire extinguisher bracket is super easy to install. Only a couple of tools like this 14mm socket and ratchet and a couple of 8mm spanners. The installation is very easy. Simply remove the two front nuts off the seat bolts and then slide the seat forward and simply loosen the rear ones so that the front of the seat can pivot backwards and you can slip the bracket in underneath. Then slide it all back down and seat bolts back in. Easy. Once it's installed, as you can see, you still have full seat movement. And it is very sturdy. It is not going anywhere.